basic respect. Sa basic respect na alam mo naman na San Miguel is a class organization. Alam mo naman na kaibigan natin yung coaching staff nila, yung mga boss doon. It's just a minimum requirement for for respect. Meron tayong quotient sa semis eh. And hindi naman bagong player si Terence eh. I'm sure alam niya yun. So, nagulat din ako na ganun nangyari na medyo bastusan ang labas. They're the seeded number 1, they're the best team, they have the best record, they have the best talent. That in itself should make them a class organization. And part of being a class organization is giving due respect doon sa mas mababa sa'yo.